welcome to Healthy Kids Inc. So today's dish, we are featuring a pasta with chicken and vegetables. We love this meal. It's really simple. It gets everything involved that our kids need. In this particular case, the meal calls for some whole wheat pasta, which we already have cooking on the stove. We had that ready in advance. We've also cut up some chicken that we've had ready. In this case, for what we prepped in advance, we prepped our garlic, we prepped some onions, and the meal also calls for some frozen vegetables. Wow, this is really simple. The kids are going to get involved once we do some of the stove cooking. We decided it was best not to have them involved in this section, but when it comes to tossing everything together, serving it on our plates, they're going to help us do that. So at this point, we are cooking the pasta. It'll be ready in about 7 minutes. Our pan is coming along. We're going to go ahead and season our chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then we'll transfer that over. This will cook just for a few minutes in this pan until we're ready. This won't take very long at all to get this cooked up. Alright, while this is cooking, the larger pan is going to have more of our ingredients in it. So for right now, we are just simply going to saute our garlic. And we have quite a few onions that we're adding to this dish. So we're going to go ahead and let those saute for a few minutes. Then we will add our vegetables and then our chicken broth to it in just a minute. Alright, so our chicken is about halfway through the cooking process. We're going to let that keep cooking. Our onions and garlic are softening up, so at this point we can go ahead and add our mixed vegetables in here. Mixed vegetables are actually going to cook for about 5 minutes. We're going to cover these and cook them. And then when these have started to soften up a little, we will add our liquid and then our chicken. So we'll go ahead and, wow, that's going to look so nice. We'll go ahead and let these cook for about 5 minutes. By the time these are done, our pasta should be done and chicken will be done too. So we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so a few minutes have passed and our vegetables are looking wonderful. So we've given these about 5 minutes to steam here on the stove. Our chicken has also cooked. So we're going to go ahead and throw our chicken in this dish, which looks great as well. Chicken is ready. We're also going to throw in, here we have about a half a cup of low sodium chicken broth. Alright, so we have our pasta that is already cooked, and then we have our wonderful dish here with our mixed vegetables, a little bit of onion, garlic, chicken, and a little bit of low sodium chicken broth. So we have our little helper here ready to help me stir it. Are you ready? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Can you use your little spoon and stir it all up for me? Alright, oh, this looks yummy. Good job. Oh, awesome. Now let's give it a big stir all around, okay? You know what we're going to do now? We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it.
I want to do it up on the shelf.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, so remember what we do? Here.
I want to do it on the top.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep,
I want
ready.
you to hold it.
Okay.
You hold.
You're doing it. Good helper. All right, sounds good. Our pasta is made.